Hi, this is Otano. This tutorial we learn about the rational number, multiplication and division for the class 8. This is the continuation tutorial of the rational number. So the multiplication, we learn about the multiplication. Okay, so multiplication, you know that a by b into c by d, you have to multiply numerator. You have to multiply numerator separately and denominator. A into C and B into D. Now after that you have to simplify into the standard form. Clear? For example, minus 8 by 7 into 14 by 4. Clear? So minus 8 into 14, all numerator value, and 7 into 4. Then you have to simplify. 7 2 ja, 4 2 ja, is 1 minus 4. Clear? This is the answer. Now we learn the division. Clear? A by B, C by D. Divide A by B with C by D. What you have to do? You know that you have to do the reciprocal or inverse. Reciprocal or the inverse by multiplying with AB. You have to reciprocal and inverse this value. A by B into reciprocal means D by C. From where we get it? C by D of reciprocal is to the power minus 1 is equal to D by C. Clear? Then the same process like the multiplication. Hope it is clear. For example, I give you the example. Just a minute. Minus 8 by 7 divided by 4 by 14. Okay. This is the question. Okay, do it. Minus 8 by 7 into 14 by 4 minus 4. Clear? Is the answer. Don't do any mistake when you convert into the reciprocal value to get the reciprocal value. PROCL reciprocal or the inverse value. You must consider sign also. For example, if the question given what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 15, what is the reciprocal of the 7 by 15? Okay, you have to convert it. Minus 15 by 7. This is the right answer. Clear? So there will be no change of the minus sign. Clear? If it is plus, then it remain plus. Clear? Now we learn representation of the rational number on the number line. First of all, we should know about the how the number line is used for the natural number. Okay, or the whole number. So suppose it is 0, then the other value is represent like this. This direction is positive and left side is negative. Clear? So you can write down the whole number or integer as 1, 2, 3, 4 at equal interval. Okay, and similarly the other integer also you can write, the negative integer also write -1, -2, -3, like that. Now if you want to represent any rational number, for example, if I told you 1/5, where you can put this number in the number line. Look, so 105 sorry 1.1/5, 1/5 lie in between 0 and 1. It will be here. Clear? Just middle of the 0 and 1. So what you have to do, you just draw the number line, one straight line, and put 0 value here and 1 here, and you just split into two parts, two equal part, and in this location it will be 1/2. Sorry, it will be 1/2, just half. What will be the 1/5? Yes, it will be 1/2. So to draw the 1/5, first you have to draw one straight line. Draw one straight line first. Just wait a moment. Draw a straight line. Then you put the 0 value here and take some distance 1, because you have to divide the entire. You draw a line, put the value 0 and 1 here, and divide the entire line into the 5 equal part. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Next, so each division is actually 1/5. So this will be the 1/5. Clear? Because 1/5 is less than 1 and greater than 0. You must remember this. So this is the way of put the any rational number on the number line. Clear? Now if the value is more than 1, so how we can do that? For example, if we want to identify, we want to put the position of the 2/5. Again it will be here. If it is more than 1, look how you can do that. More than 1 means 1/1/5. 6/5. If it is 6/5, so how we can locate this point on the number line? So this is the method. First draw a straight line, then no need to consider 0. You have to identify that 1/5 is greater than 1 and less than 2. So it is lie in between the 1 and 2. So only you have to mark the 1 and 2. Clear? Then you have to divide the equal 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and mark here. It is similar to the 0 and 1 when I just put the value 1/5, but here I put the value 1/1/5, because the decimal part considered the in between division of the 1 and 2. So this is the because this 1 by 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction having the 1 as a whole part and 1 by 5 as rational and a fractional part. So this is the rational number. So 1 by 5 means 6 by 5 means 6 by 5. First you have to convert into the mixed fraction, then locate the position between the two whole number, then put the value, identify the position of the any rational number. Clear? Now we learn how to represent the negative rational number on the number line. So first, for example, if we consider minus 13 by 5, so we have to represent this number on the number line. Okay, so 13 by 5, 13, three. Okay, so it will be, the remainder will be here, quotient will be remainder will be here, quotient will be here, and this is the denominator. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 by 5 minus. So first I have to draw a line. Now think, the whole part is what? The whole part is minus 2. So where it is located, where it is lie? This lie in between minus 2, between minus 2, right? Between minus 3 and minus 2. Why? Because it is less than minus 2. It is less than minus 2. Clear? Maybe you are in doubt that how would we understood that minus 3 by 5 means 2 to the power minus 3 by 5, this number is lie in between the minus 2 and minus 3. Now if we convert into the decimal, then it will be 0.6. Clear? So minus 0.6 means what? It is more or less than 2. It will be like this. Okay, here only, in this direction. Clear? Then what you have to do? You have to consider the decimal part, means fraction part. Consider 5. So we have to divide this in between minus 3 into 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Then you have to consider 3. 1, 2, 3, like this. So this location is located the number minus 2 to the power 3 by 5. Clear? Hope it is clear. Now we find out the numbers in between the two given rational numbers. Clear? For small example, if I told you find out the number, sorry, let's draw a line. Find out a number find out the rational number, obviously rational number, in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Clear? So we have, suppose the question is that you have to find out one rational number in between half and 2 by 3. So there are two methods. First method, you have to convert it into the equivalent fraction. You know that how you can convert it as per your requirement. I already told you what is the logic behind this. You have to multiply into 2, both numerator denominator, you get 2 by 4. Okay, and sorry, first method is you have to convert into the like fraction first. How you can do that? You have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3, that is what, 6. Clear? 2 and 3 6. So if you convert 1 by 2 the like fraction, the denominator will be 6, the LCM value, and to balance it means make it equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, it will be 3. Clear? 3 by 6. So both you multiply numerator denominator with 3, and for 2 by 3 you get what, 2 into to get 6 multiply into 2, and numerator now multiply into 2, you get the 4 by 6. Now you get the two value, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Means we have to we have to find out the rational number in between 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Understood? Means the given problem was 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, and it is equivalent to what? The similar fraction is 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Clear? But I can't find out any value in this way. So what you have to do? You have to convert into the like fraction. So you have to convert into the you multiply into 2, 6 by 12, here also multiply into 2, you get 8 by 12. Now it is clear. So you get the two same fraction, this rational value, this rational number, and 3 by 6 equivalent to 6 by 12, and 4 by 6 equal to 8 by 12. Again we find out the number in between 6 by 12 and 8 by 12. Hope it is clear. So method is that you have to do this like, you have to do like this: 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 6 by 12, and for 2 by 3 you have to convert into the 6, and 4 by 6, and then 12, 8 by 12. Now it is very easy to identify the number between the 6 and 8. To 7, it will be 7. So 7 by 12 is the answer. Clear? 7 by 12 is the right answer. So this is the first method. Now method number 2, second method. So what is this? What is the second method? Look at this. So for find out the one value, multiple value got it, but it is not the easy. But for if the question is given that find out the one value of the rational in between the two given rational number, then second method is applicable. If there are multiple inside value required in the given in the question, then the first method we have to do. So later we discuss about the more about the first method. Now you learn the second method. So second method is actually the same question given, 1 half and 2 by 3, half and 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Now what is the mean value? Means the middle term, mean value. If we find out the mean value, definitely it will be represent the in between these two rational number. Clear? How you can do that? It's very simple. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 divided by half, divided by 2. Clear? So this is 6, 3 and 4 and 2. Clear? Then 7 by 6, 7 by 6 and again half, again 2. So 7 by 6 multiply, it is divided by 2 mean is inverse of the 2, that is half, and we get what? We get, maybe it is not visible to you this location, so let's look at the different position. 7 by 6 by 2 is equal to 7 by, that means what? 7 by 6 divided by 2. Clear? So 7 by 6 into half, so 7 by 12. Clear? Now hope it is clear to you. We get the same answer, that is 7 by 12. It is the right answer, 7 by 12. Clear? But if the for the same given rational number, if question is find out the more value, more than one value, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, so what method we follow? We always follow the first method. So first method, elaborate the first method. Clear? Okay, let's draw one line. Clear? And just locate the two position, half and 2 by 3. Now one thing I just forget to tell you. See, why 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 lie in between the 7 and 12? We can easily identify through the decimal also. Position through the decimal also. Let's check. Let consider 7 3 by 6. So this is what? This value is equivalent to what? 0.5. 0.5. And this value is what? 4 by 6. 4 by 6. 4 by 6. How much? Wait. Where it is? 4 by 6. .66. Clear? 0.66. 4 by 6 is 0.66. 0.66 or 0.67. Clear? And what is the value of 7 by 12? So 7 12. Clear? 0.58. So it is equivalent to 0.58. Clear? So 7 divided by 12. 0.58. 0.58. Clear? Now highlight it. Clear? So 0.58 and 0.5. So 0.58 is lie in between 0.5 and 0.66. So our answer is correct. So always verify your answer with this shortcut method. Hope it is clear. Now we discuss if the two number given, that is half and 2 by 3, and asks you more rational number. We easily find out the equivalent fraction of half, that is 6 by 12, and 2 by 3 is for 8 by 12. To find out the one number in between 6 and 12 and 8 by 12, clear, that is 7 by 12. But if we multiply another 2, means the last value was what, that is 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Okay, so first we have to convert into the like fraction or the like rational number. Okay, and so we have to, you know that denominator will be the LCM, so it will be the 6, and the numerator will be 3 by 6, and 2 by 3 will be what, 6 and 4. So first you have to convert this. It is very, very important. First you have to convert the like fraction or like rational number, clear. So after convert this, then you know that we multiply into 2, we get the 6 by 12. It is very, very much clear. Multiply into 2, both numerator and denominator into 2, you know that. Now if we multiply into 3, what will happen? From this number, if we multiply 3 from this number, we get 9 by 18, and here we get 12 by 18. Now you got the more space to find out the further more rational number in between 9 by 18 and 12 by 18. Why? Because in between 9 by 18, in between 9 and 12, how many numbers are there? 10, this is 10, 11, 10 and 11, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you get 2 10 by 18 and 11 by 18. You get 2 rational number in between the 9 by 18 and 12 by 18. Clear? Again, if we multiply more with this number, for example, if we multiply 4, so 12 by 24, and here we get what, 16 by 24. Clear? 16 by 24 and 12 by 24. In between 12 and 24, 12 and 16, sorry, we get the more space to find out the whole number between 12 and 16. Clear? 12 and 16. So how many numbers it is possible to find out? That is 13, 14 and 15. So 12 by 13 by 24, 14 by 24 and 15 by 24. So three rational numbers we find out in between the same, means 1/2 and 2 by 3. These 3 rational number exist in between the 1/2 and 23. Clear? This way we find out more rational number in between the given 2 rational number. This is the method. If it is not clear, you can send message to my WhatsApp. Okay, that details given below. Okay, thank you.